I'm just here to make a really quick video because I'm starting to get FOMO about that Dalgona coffee, the coffee from Korea, and I just want to try it. So I thought I'd bring you guys along while I prepare it. First, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And I'm using Nescafe Rich. So I'll put the coffee in here first. 1, 2, then I'll add the sugar. Probably should have done it in the other order. 1, 2, and then I'll add the water. Stir that up a little bit with the spoon. So it's 2 tablespoons boiling water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Now, all the recipes say to whisk by hand until you get a really nice frothy creamy mixture of this, but I'm going to use my handheld blender because I cannot whisk for that long. This is working like a charm, and I've only had it in here for like 30 seconds. Okay, we've got our coffee whip mixture. Probably should be a little bit thicker than that. But, so then we're going to add some ice to our cups. Add 3 or 4 cubes to each cup. I think that's 4, and then, well, there's already 4 left in there, so we'll use that one anyway. Okay, and then we add some milk. I'm making the other one for my husband. I don't drink milk, so we'll see what this is like. Not allergic to it or anything, I just not a milk drinker. Then you take your whipped coffee stuff and sprinkle it on top of, mine is not whipped enough, I can tell, just from the pictures. And you sprinkle it on top of both coffee mixtures. It looks really pretty. Really nice. But if it was more whipped, I guess it would look even more pretty. So you're going to evenly, apparently this amount of coffee sugar mixture is supposed to be for 1 drink. But to be honest, it would keep me up till next week. So a lot of Java in there. I just wanted to try it. Look how pretty it looks, you guys. Running down the drink. And then the last thing you do is, hang on, is just sprinkle a little bit of coffee on top. That's it. There you go, guys. There's Dalgona coffee. So let me give this a try. That one's for Richard. Let's see what it tastes like. I think you can stir it in too if you want, or just mix it up, or do whatever you want to. But let's just try it like this. That's good. It's got a really bitter, not bitter, it's got a real strong coffee taste, but then the milk comes in and sort of subdues that a bit. Oh, it's drink of summer 2020. You guys should give this a try. It's really easy. I'm going to stir it up and see what happens. Oh my goodness. That's good. That is good. Yeah. Give it a try. Be trendy like everybody else. Dalgona coffee from Korea. Yummers.